Today my video is all about how to get rid of pimples and pimple marks. Generally though we get rid of the pimples, but still the marks will be left over. Now you can see a clear skin of mine, but before that, I used to have just the pimples all over my cheek. It used to be just like that, like I have got some infection on my face. Then I have went here and out. I have tried all the methods, but the end result is a big zero. Then I thought, okay, I have did lots of courses on self beauty courses, so I thought, like, why don't I try with my own home remedies methods. And then the things which I did for the past 8 months is like, first thing, from a regular intake of water, I have consumed 4 glasses of extra water. Then everyone used to say, if you want to get rid of your pimples, first thing you should not do is like, don't eat any junk food or the oily food, which was quite impossible with me. I'm a great foodie, so I have never skipped any of those junk foods or any oily food. What ultimately I did is, like, whatever I used to take an intake for, like, the regular exercises, I have increased my exercise times. For suppose today, like before that I used to do only 1 hour exercises, but now I'm started doing, like, I have twice the exercises for the 2 hours I used to do. And now again the third step what I did is, like, I prepared my own pimple mask and my own pimple clearing mask, like, whatever the pimple marks you like. First I prepared a mask to clear my pimple, and then I have prepared another mask to get rid of that pimple marks. So now let's get into the procedure.
Now these are the cloves, and this cloves I'm going to first do the dry roast. So let's start our process. Friends, now we need to dry roast these cloves this is why we are dry roasting the cloves, is in order to make a very good smooth powder. Hardly takes for you somewhere around 15 minutes to do the dry roast. No need to change the color, but it should become a bit crispy. The roasting process of this cloves is done, and now we are going to blend it in a blender. Be careful while you are blending, because first the cloves need to be cooled down and then only you should start your blending process. Friends, now the blended cloves is ready. Okay, now it's a cloves powder, and now what we need to do is that I also taken the yogurt, and now we need to mix yogurt and cloves powder. Now add 1 spoon of clove powder, and now add curd into that and mix it into a thick paste. Mix well. Yeah, now it mixed into a thick paste. So for our process, for the first step, the clove and the yogurt mixture is ready. Friends, now for the step 2 process, we require the cinnamon powder and honey. For 1 spoon of cinnamon powder, I am taking 2 spoons of honey, and this is also required to make it as a thick paste as we did before. Friends, now the mixture of cloves and yogurt powder, cinnamon and honey is ready.
Hello friends, now let's start our process. I am now trying to apply my clove and yogurt paste as a dot exactly where the pimples are located on my face. So now let me show you how I am going to apply this. Here I have a pimple, so I am applying it over here. You can see it, right? I am applying exactly the portion where the pimple is located. In the same way, again I have pimple over here, a small pimple. So again I am applying over here. As a dot, and then again I have a pimple over here. I'm applying over here, and a small pimple I have over here, so I'm applying over here. Friends, do remember while you are applying this clove and yogurt paste on your face, first initially you will be having a burning sensation. So you need to bear that burning sensation, but ultimately the result, whatever you are going to have, it will be good. Whenever you have this burning sensation, don't try to wash your face. Within 2 to 3 minutes of the application of this paste on your pimples, the burning sensation reduces. So just initially you have a little bit of burning sensation. Friends, now it's been already more than 30 minutes and my entire this pack has got dried up. Now I'm cleaning my face with the wet towel. Don't rub much on your pimples because there is a chance that it pains so much. And after clearing this pack, you find wherever the places you have kept this pack, that entire place will become a bit reddish color. Never worry about that because it's not going to affect you. It just will be more 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Now once you have cleared entire this, now it's like, the other thing is also, the thing is like, whatever powder I have prepared, I can store it. But whatever the paste I have prepared, that should be used immediately. Friends, now I have cleaned my face. Now let's go with the step 2. In step 2, again I am applying this cinnamon and honey mixture exactly as a button where I have my pimples and pimple marks. So it should be applied exactly where you have pimples and the pimple marks. And you should not rub this. You should just apply it like a button on this. And then friends, the other thing is like this one you should put all over night, entire night it should be kept on your face. Then only it will be helpful for you to remove this pimple marks. And the other thing is like this mixture you can store it. You can store it in the fridge and you can use it twice or the thrice. Okay? And now this is our step 2 process is done. Now when you are going to clean this, you only use the chilled water. Never use a normal tap water or a normal warm water, and never ever put, when you have a pimples on your face, never use hot water to clean it up. So always use a ice water or the chilled water. Okay, now our step 2 process, this should be kept entire all over night, and morning you should clean it up. Though it dries, it will never falls down like a patches because we are added honey into that, which acts as a softening agent to your skin. Thank you. Friends, I hope this video is useful to you. Please do try this please do try this procedure at your home and let me know whether it is working out to you well or not, and let me know what are the results you are having, and do please comment on my comment box. And the other thing is like, I'm a just born YouTuber, so your comments, your likes and your like all things will be very helpful for me to make a better videos further. So friends, please do try this at your home, and do like this video, share, and please do subscribe my channel. And friends, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Stay healthy and be beautiful.